I don't know. Let's all look and see what Daddy got.
Yes, she is. 2 Carls.
Is it the Carolina?
Oh,
She's Carl Smith.
I'm trying to stand around and be like, oh, look, surprise, the Carolina. And be like the worst surprise ever. There we go. The curtain or something. It's a bedding. Yeah, oh.
Oh my gosh, it's my dress! It's my dress! It's my dress! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh yeah! I'm doing the happy dance! Oh my gosh! Yes, try that!
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Let me see it! Is it a cupcake dress?
Thanks for yelling in my ear. I think I'm deaf.
It's a happy dance!
Oh, my actual. Yeah.
It's for Tink too.
All I hear is.
Are you gonna share?
No.
Okay.
And you can't have it if you ain't gonna.
Are you excited? You're not excited, are you?
Hey, I did the happy dance too!
Okay, let's try it on.